Hello, my name is Michelle. I'm a native speaker from the UK with Learn English Online School. I've been teaching for about 8 years. I enjoy English language teaching. I try to make my lessons interesting and fun, and they're very much tailored to each individual student. English is probably one of the most important languages. It's an international language, and students choose to learn English for a variety of reasons, including, but not exclusively, IELTS preparation so that they can enter English language universities, business English for the many corporate workers who now have international relations and English is the business language of communication, and also just conversation English. People, when they want to travel, watch movies, they want to be able to understand and communicate with others. I'd like to welcome you to Learn English World Online School, and I look forward to meeting you.